Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix photo preview not showing in Windows. Alright, so let's begin the video. If you're unable to see a preview of your video files and only see icons, here's how you can fix it. 1. Open File Explorer. 2. At the top of the window, click on the See More button, which is represented by 3 dots. 3. From the drop-down menu, select Options. 4. In the Folder Options window, go to the View tab. 5. Look for the option that says Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails and uncheck it. 6. Click Apply and then OK. Now, you should be able to see previews of your video files instead of just icons. So that's basically how to fix photo preview not showing in Windows. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.